Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and PC. Enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging so your computer can talk to the device. Install ADB tools on your PC and connect the phone by USB. When the Allow USB debugging prompt appears, tap Allow. Once done, confirm the PC sees the phone by running a DB devices. You should see a device ID. Make sure battery and cable are stable. These early checks prevent interruptions during the next, sensitive steps. You now use ADB to remove the lock artifacts that enforce the PIN. First, run a DB shell to get a command prompt on the device, then gain temporary access to the system area by running commands like rm/data/system/password, key, and rm/data/system/gesture. Key, this clears stored credentials. If the device denies RM, use a DB shell SQLite 3/data/system/lock settings. DB delete from only on devices where SQLite 3 exists. Once removed, send in. You finish by rebooting the phone with a DB reboot so the system rebuilds lock settings cleanly. When it restarts, swipe or use input key Evan 82 to reach the home screen. Make sure to go to Settings Security and set a new PIN right away, because the device may revert to an unsecured state otherwise. If the phone remains encrypted or still asks for the original PIN, use Find My Device Unlock where available, or consult professional repair. These situations mean ADB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.